Hello, first grade writers. Today we are going to practice writing like an expert. So, yesterday I had you write a list of things that you were really good at and that you knew a lot about. Today I want you to pick one of those topics and I want you to write about it. Also, when you're done, I want you to take a picture and put it into Google Classroom under I am an expert. All right, here's an example. I decided to teach you guys how to brush your teeth since I'm really good at brushing my teeth. Do you want to know how I know I'm really good at brushing my teeth? Because in 55 years, I have not had one single cavity. So check out how I did this and see if there's anything you can learn from me. I hooked my reader. See if you agree with me. Do you know how to brush your teeth? Today, I am going to teach you how to stay cavity-free. First, you squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto your brush bristles. Next, I put some water on the brush to soften the bristles. After this, I begin by putting the brush against my teeth and start to scrub them gently. Finally, after about 3 minutes of scrubbing, I rinse my mouth with tap water and spit the extra paste down the drain. Want to be cavity-free? Try brushing like me. So friends, I want you to pick your topic. Go back to your sheet that you wrote yesterday and pick one of those things that you wrote down that you're really good at. And then hook your reader and teach us how to do it. Happy writing, and remember, you can call me on WebEx if you need any help at all. You don't need to bother your parents. Ask me.